Hello everyone. Are you wondering what androgynous means? Let's explore. Androgynous refers to a gender expression that incorporates elements of both masculinity and femininity, often blurring traditional gender lines. An androgynous person might present in a way that is not easily categorized as male or female, blending or mixing gender characteristics in their appearance, behavior, or style. This expression can be intentional, as a way of challenging or transcending conventional gender norms, or it can be a natural reflection of the person's identity. Androgyny is celebrated for its fluidity and for offering a way to express gender beyond the binary. In essence, being androgynous is about embodying a mix of gender traits, creating a unique and often balanced presentation that doesn't conform to traditional gender expectations. Please like the video and leave a comment to support my job. Thank you for watching and see you later. Goodbye.